On the eve of the opening of the 2024 Beijing Auto Show, the high-end version of the Kunpeng was launched. The front face design of the Dreamer Kunpeng High version is inspired by the Dapeng bird. It uses a two-color injection molding process to arrange and assemble 96 Arashi LOGOs into the shape of Dapeng bird feathers, meaning flapping and soaring. At the same time, the air intake grille adopts horizontal line design style, which extends the visual width of the front of the car and makes it more majestic. In terms of interior, the new car features forged carbon decoration, hidden high roof, Kunpeng a roof, deep soft upholstery, rear roof curtain, and other elements. The seating section includes queen co-pilot and second-row aviation seats. It also supports 3+N customized color matching to meet different customers' personalized preferences. The official modification kit of the Dreamer is divided into the following sections. 1. Yanqiang Plus, a modification kit, which includes a new Felu front end and two-tone Pioneer body, wing smart air intake top display. Additionally, flow rearview mirrors, sun visors, aluminum alloy door sills, premium upholstery, etc. There will also be more modification kits like